Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 14. Almost through this month of COOKMAS. Thanks again for joining me. Today's recipe for COOKMAS is going to be brought to you via a collaboration. I am happy to say I'm part of the Holly Jolly Sweets collab. It's a collab that was started by Keeping Up with the Griffins, and it's got a few other good channels that are involved where we are all going to just make some nice holiday snacks or holiday sweets that you might be able to introduce some people to something new. I'll put in the description box below all of the channels that are participating in the collab. So for this collab, I decided to go ahead and make something out of some of the novelty items of Christmas, which are the Little Debbie Christmas cakes. So I'm going to go ahead and make some Christmas tree dip. We're going to go ahead and take these Little Debbie cakes, mash them up, and turn them into a dip. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, this is my take on the Christmas tree dip. It is very simple yet tasty. You should give it a try for the holiday. You can eat it with cookies or possibly even some fruit would be tasty as well. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, so please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.